You need to see this before making a shortlist for your next film. If you wish to create memorable moments on the screen, then you must know how to use the right shots at the right time. Number 1. Establishing shot. Used to open a scene or even an entire film. It is wide enough to establish the geography, time of day, or scale of subject in relation to the environment. Number 2. Master shot. A master shot confirms the location and geography of a scene and also clarifies which characters are in the scene and where they are in relation to each other. Number 3. Wide shot. It positions the subject far from the camera to visually represent their relationship to their environment. Number 4. Full shot. When a subject's full body from head to toe is visible in the frame, the shot is defined as full. Number 5. Cowboy shot. This shot is arranged from the top of the subject's head to just below their waist. Use it when you need to present a subject as confident, dangerous, or confrontational, especially when weapons might be drawn. Number 6. Medium shot. Perhaps the most popular shot size in all of cinema, as it's more of a neutral shot, neither dramatic like close-ups or distancing like a wide shot. It usually starts above the waist but below the chest and ends just above the head. Number 7. Medium close-up shot. This shot contains its subject from the mid-chest to just above their head. They reduce distraction and prioritize story and character details. Use it when you need to get intimate with the subject without losing their physicality. Number 8. Close-up. It is the most powerful visual weapon for highlighting a change in emotion or dramatic beat on screen. They are often arranged at eye level. This shot is all about empathy. Number 9. Extreme close-up or the insert shot. It frames the subject to isolate a specific area. It could be lips, ears, or nose. But eyes are typically the focus. It is often used to highlight or isolate something crucial to the narrative. Subscribe to Film Magic if you like content like this.